Now we're going to look at the administrator login or the admin login. So I'll go to login. Now again, the default for this login is admin. You're going to want to change this when you get your software. So login, this is going to bring up the admin home screen. Now on the bottom row, firstly, we designed the software that if it was going to be used in a commercial environment, we didn't want people accidentally exiting the software all the time. So to enable you to exit the software, we've kind of hidden the exit in the admin login. So the first button along there is exit, and that's going to take you back out of the software. Next thing along is the category menu. Now this is going to give us the option to either create a new category or edit a category. So if we look at a new category, now if you're a martial arts school, or you might be a gym or a centre which teaches multiple martial arts, you maybe want to create your own individual categories for your users that's then going to come up on their unique combat athlete profile. So if we select category type, we've got all the official boxing weight categories, we've got the official MMA categories. If we look at martial arts, for instance, what this enables me to do, I might want to say I teach karate. This is going to give me the ability to create a karate white belt, for instance. Click the tick and click save. Now, when I go into the category menu and I look at edit category, I go into martial arts, I'm going to have that category saved within the martial arts subcategory. Right? And you can create as many categories in there as you like, from white to black belt, multiple styles. It just enables users to have their own unique category within their combat athlete profile. So now we're going to come back to edit category. Essentially, if I want to edit any of these categories, this is where I can do it. Okay, so I can change the names, I can add or make amendments to any of the categories that I've created. Okay, so that's the category section. Next, we're going to look at the user menu. Now, very much like the same within the coach login, this is going to give me the ability to create a new user, exactly the same as we did within the coach login, but it's also going to give us the opportunity to import or export. Now what this will allow us to do is to either import a CSV file, so if you've got 100 members within your club, you can import them all at the same time using a CSV file. That's something that's available in our software toolkit, but you can also export data as well, which is going to enable you to export all of your data within the software into a CSV file, which means that you can analyze this using a third-party application and run reports with something, say, Excel. So that's the import and export function. And then lastly then, as an administrator, it gives you the ability to edit your techniques that people can select within the technique selection part of the software. Now, if we click new technique, it's going to ask us what name of the technique. If we put something like spinning hook, and then it's going to ask us, is it a hand or a leg technique? I'm going to select leg and then click save. That technique then will be available for users to select whenever they're selecting either their power, speed or endurance testing. So that's the technique menu.